Assalamualaikum students, how are you? I hope you all will be fine. Please open your notebook of science. Today our topic is keeping fit. Exercise number 1. Answer these questions. Before starting these question answers, I am going to revise main points of this lesson. Exercise makes your body strong. Exercise helps you eat and sleep well. You must always walk, sit and stand straight. Your body needs proper rest. You should sleep early at night and wake up early in the morning. Today we will complete question answers that are given here in notebook of science. After doing question number 1 and 2, today we will complete question number 3, 4, 5 and 6. Question number 3 is how should you stand and walk? How should you stand and walk? After watching the picture of posture, you can write answer. I am showing you picture again. You are seeing here, postures are here. You will have to walk upright, you will have to stand straight, and you will have to sit straight. Question is, how should you stand and walk? We should stand straight and walk upright. We should stand straight and walk upright. Spelling of upright, UP up, RIGHT, right. Question number 4 is, how should you sit while doing your homework? You are doing your homework. After watching this video, you will start work and you will do your homework. So how should you sit while doing your homework? When we are doing our homework, like this girl, look at this girl is doing her homework, so she is sitting straight. The answer of this question is, we should sit straight. We should sit straight. We should sit straight. Spelling of straight, STRAIGHT, STRAIGHT. Question number 5 is, why does your body need rest? Why, after playing different kinds of game like cricket, hockey, like badminton, why does your body need rest? Our body need rest to be fresh. After taking proper rest, we are able to do different kinds of work and we look fresh. So answer of question number 5 that you will have to write is, our body, OUR body, NEEDS need, REST rest, TO2 BEB, FRESH fresh. So answer of this question is, our body needs rest to be fresh. Our body needs rest to be fresh. Question number 6 of this lesson is, this topic is keeping fit. Question number 6, what is the important thing you should do before sleeping? When you are sleeping, think about it. What is the important thing you must do before sleeping? Answer, you will have to write here answer. Answer of this question is, you must brush your teeth before sleeping. I am telling you spellings. YOUMUST must, BRUSH brush, YOUR TEET teeth, BEFORE for SLEEPING sleeping. You must brush your teeth before sleeping. The answer of question number 6 is, you must brush your teeth before sleeping. I am telling you again, why does your body need rest? You will have to rest. You will have to write, Our body needs rest to be fresh. Our body needs rest to be fresh. Question number 5 is, how should you sit while doing your homework? You are doing your homework, you will have to sit straight. The answer of this question is, we should sit straight. We should sit straight. Question number 4. After question number 4, I am going to tell you answer of question number 3. How should you stand and walk? We should stand straight. We should stand straight and walk upright. I am going to tell you meaning of walk upright. Mean as straight as possible. I am showing you a picture. What is meaning of upright? After telling meaning of upright, you are seeing this boy, so we can say the meaning of upright is as straight as possible. Students, these are correct posture of walking, standing and sitting. So will these postures make you fit, and good posture keep your body fit and you look smart. You look smart. After saying posture, after saying walk upright and this posture again, you can easily write this. We should stand straight and walk upright. Okay students, today you will have to write question answers of this lesson, keeping fit, question number 3, 4, 5 and 6 in your notebook. After watching this video, if you are feeling any difficulty, you can discuss with me. Thank you so much.